Target had a restock this week. It was early in the morning, right? I had my phone and my watch near me, right? Well, the watch was on me, so I got the notification on my watch, hopped on my phone, right? Clicked the link, because I got the Twitter notifications. I clicked the link, so I got to Target very fast, right? It was a matter of seconds. I had it in my cart, and then I was like, oh crap, I don't know the login information for my Target account. I've literally only bought one thing from Target, like ever, online. So I was like, crap, I need to get on my desktop. But my desktop was only like a few feet away, so I was like, oh, this will be quick. So I hopped on the desktop. I logged into my account on Target. I had it in my cart. So I was going to check out, right, put in my card information, which took seconds because it was saved into the browser. So all I got to do is just fingerprint and then put it in there. Next thing you know, I got this message that said, oh, your zip code is invalid, which it was not invalid. A few seconds after that, it disappeared, and they said nothing was in my cart. How do you put something in your cart, right, and you don't even give the person more than, I swear, it wasn't even like 20 seconds, and the next thing you know, I mean, when it's in your cart, it should be reserved. When there's lightning deals, right, and you're going to get like a special price on Amazon, they literally put like a timer, 15 minutes until it's going to disappear. Once you put something in your cart, that should be yours. It should be when you're in a grocery store and you have anything in your cart and you're rolling it around, that's your item, right? No one comes and takes that from you. So when it's in your cart, it should be yours, right? If they want to put a 15-minute timer on it, fine, right? I would have rather have been there. I mean, I got to the website in a matter of seconds, but I'd rather had not had the opportunity to even put it in my cart than you let me put it in my cart. You don't even let me check out, and then it disappears, right? So it disappeared, and then I ended up, the page refreshed, and then it was out of stock. Never saw it in stock again. I did get a glimpse into the numbers. They literally only had three available, and you had to pick them up. And they were doing no shipping. These were all, you had to pick them up, right? So this account that gave me a notification was Lord of Restocks. It's funny because there's another guy, I guess, affiliated, I don't know, he puts out the same tweets as Lord of Restock, but he seems always like he's a few minutes behind. This time he was like 5 to 10 minutes behind. And that's a matter of getting the PS5 or not. So when it was completely sold out, he puts out his tweet, and he basically got roasted because he was too late. It's funny because Tech Radar put out a article that he put out the notification, and a lot of people got PS5s. And if you look in the comments, like literally none of the people got the PS5s. It was all people just saying that he was too late. So this is all a sham. Okay, they put out articles that he helped people get PS5s, and I mean, like I said in the other video, either they take way too long to put out these notifications, or there's literally like 5 available, right? So, as I mentioned, there were literally three, and I had supposedly one of them in my cart, and it disappeared. But I did read. So part of me is like, oh, the demand really isn't that high. They want to portray that it's crazy high for these things, right? But when you have 3 available, like, come on, 3 of anything shouldn't be that hard. I mean, obviously the PS5, it's like there is a demand there, but it's like when you only have 3 and you're gonna sell them to the public, right? And then of course they're gonna sell out very quickly if you only have 3 of them available. So you have 3 of them, they sell out in minutes, and then soon you can turn around and be like, see, our product is still so popular. Creating like the hype around it. There was someone that commented on my last video and said that he worked in retail, and they actually have a plethora of these PS5s, and they're just doing this. I mean, it's all like corporate greed. It's all a joke in a way, which I'm totally not surprised by this, because like I said, I think the demand is high, but it's not that high. I mean, Target, I've been following this for the last month estimate. This is the first Target restock that I've seen, which this shouldn't even be a restock. Like, if you don't have thousands of them to sell, right, they may have thousands across the country, and they put like 1 in each store. But then certain people, like he just mentioned, that work in retail, they have plenty of them. So The saga continues. Like I said, I still feel like I have to do this. I downloaded a plugin. I think it's called OctoShop. It's supposed to alert me when the PS5 is in stock, or really just any product. So we're going to test that out. At this point, they haven't notified me there's been a restock. I didn't have it set up for Target, but they haven't notified me because there literally haven't been any restocks. And I refuse to pay $1,000 for this PS5. No, that's a waste. I'm not going to waste $1,000 on this thing. I waste $500. That's acceptable. Another $500? No, that's too much. And I'm not going to buy the digital version. I'm going to buy the disc version. To me, I wouldn't buy the digital version. I wouldn't recommend that to anybody. And there's other YouTubers talking about why they wouldn't recommend the digital version. So completely disc, and I don't want to have to worry about downloading games and such. So definitely not the digital version. Anyways, the saga continues. I'm going to continue this journey. We're going to see how it plays out.
Watching, I want to say if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.